First of all, we have, I would say, machines which are the largest in the world, which are already in operation since decades. And the second thing is that the current machine, which is under construction in France, in Flamanville, will be the largest machine. And this machine will benefit from the long experience we have into this field. So you will note that in 2014, when this machine is going to come online, it's going to be the first machine into the world to be above 1,700 megawatts in one nuclear power plants. We have seen recently the importance of the auxiliaries, the way you integrate of that, and that's also one feature we want to promote today, because we believe that offering a complete turbine island is of utmost importance for our customers. What is the advantage when you can offer more or less, all the components, but more or less, or more on top of that is also the design capacity, the ability to handle various type of norms, the ability to coordinate also commercial conditions for all this equipment. I think it's a tremendous advantage for the customers. Here are a couple of equipments we can offer around the turbines. You need to understand how to build, large condensers, which are used in nuclear power plants and compatible with the size of this steam turbine. The next topic, which is also of importance for nuclear power plants, are the emergency diesel generators. It's not only the quality, the way you are designing these generators, but also where you locate these devices. It's important to have a geographical segregation. It's important to locate these vital components of the plant in different places, so that when you have an issue, obviously you have a minimum of one which is able to supply electricity and therefore to supply the cooling water for the reactor. Here again, the fact that we are able to provide, I would say, complete turbine island is helping our customers to get the necessary safety on that side. So one of a few benefits of these integrations. The first one is the reliability. So here you can see two sets of information. The first one is the force outage rate in France on the 58, I would say, nuclear turbines in operation in France. You can see that while the numbers of turbines is increasing, the FOR is really decreasing to levels which are difficult to see on this graph. And then the second set of information, which is the table at the bottom. And this set of numbers is quite boring, because you see a lot of zeros. A lot of zeros means we haven't had any defects or any stoppage on these units during several years. So again, that's a proof of the reliability of this turbine, but also of the complete turbine island. And these are data which are not coming from us, but which are coming from the plant operator in France, EDF. So what are the other benefits of integrating such turbine islands? It's also the operational flexibility. When we have designed the machines, we kept also in our mind that during the weekends in France, I would say the electricity consumption is much lower than during the week, and therefore there needs to be the ability to decrease the output of these plants. So even if nuclear remained, I would say, a base load generation, we are able to decrease or to bring down, I would say, the output. You see here one of the examples is to bring between 1,500 megawatt down to 350 during the week. Thank you very much.
This part of the world has a natural resource as solar, and considering the statistics of the future load requirement, and based on your experience, like with the safety aspect concerning the nuclear power, what do you suggest suggest, yani, what's your opinion based on, for this part of the world, nuclear is better or solar energy?
This morning I talked about solar, this afternoon I'm talking about nuclear, because we believe there is no unique solution. Now coming a little bit more precisely to your point, what is for the region, what is the adequate mix? My belief is that for sure a unique part of renewables. That's why this morning I was advocating for solar. Nuclear can also be an option. You have to keep in mind that the nuclear plants are much larger, so you need also to look at the technical side of it and the integration of these plants into the grid. But I believe that there is not a unique answer, and it will strongly depend on the local resources.